Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 34 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge. And today I finished my module on Introduction to Git. To finish up this lesson, I learned how to remove files from my repository. I learned how to move files, how to stage and unstage them. I learned how to discard changes and undo deletions. I learned how to clone a repository. I learned how to push and pull Git commits. And last, I learned how to push to GitHub. And the last thing that I did was I pushed a project that I already made to GitHub from my code editor, which is something that I've actually never done before. I do have files on GitHub and projects on GitHub, but I've placed them in there automatically. I just kind of dropped the files in there. So this is the first time that I've actually used Git to push my files over to GitHub. Alright, well that's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.